Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to do our empties for August. Again, most of my empties, my box is full, but it's of the candle variety. So, some of you just come for the candles. So I will actually do that first and then we will hit the other stuff last. Some of you do like all the beauty, but if you're not into all the beauty, let's just get candles done. So let me look at what I got here. All of my candles are Huntington Home, which is from Aldi, except for one. And this was one I had saved from last year. And this is a smaller candle. It's Bath & Body Works Waikiki Beach Coconut. Oh, I just love this scent. I think I have one left. I think. I may not. I might be done with them. I don't know. I hope I have one left. I bought backups, but I burned the backups. Look at that label. Isn't that... Come on. Let's focus on the label. It is so cute. After I burned this, I put it on the wax warmer, and while it was all liquidy, I poured it out. So it'll be easier to clean this out, because I am going to keep this small jar, because you never know when you need a small jar for something. Next, everything else is Huntington Home, Aldi. So, first, strawberry sorbet. Let's see, they've started putting notes, which is nice. Thank you, Aldi. Berry swirl, strawberry compote, and sugared rhubarb. This one smells really good. To me, it smells sort of like some kind of strawberry scented candy, a powdery kind of candy. That's what it smells like to me. It smells more like candy. Artificially strawberry scented candy, but still it's nice. I put this on the, because this smells really strong, which I like that for me personally. When this one finished burning, I put it on the warmer, usually for about a week. I will have them on the warmer and then I'll just take it off. So this I am just going to trash. My town does not recycle glass, and I don't need that. I know these small glass jars, well, not small, these glass jars are $4.49 at Aldi. This one is Golden Sunset Oasis, coriander, warm sand, and amber. This one's very nice. It does have a warm scent to it. That's what gives you that sunset kind of feel. A slight, really slight hint of sunscreen to me. It doesn't have that strong sunscreen smell. Just a slight hint, but a very warm scent. Yeah, and again, it was on the warmer after I finished using it. I don't know what warm sand smells like, but it does kind of have that, it's got that little beachy smell to it. This was nice. Nice. It go. Set it over here. My trash can's full before I even put things in it. Next, that one, by the way, was $4.49. This one was $4.49. This one is coconut and sandalwood, which it's creamy coconut, cardamom, and sandalwood. That's what it looks like. This one is really, really scented coconut scent, and I like that. I really don't smell cardamom or sandalwood in this. To me, it smells like coconut. Again, it's been on the warmer. But again, I don't need the glass jar, and my town doesn't recycle them. So, but yeah, that was nice. That was nice. These next two, I actually purchased 3 of these, and I've burned 2 of them already. These were, I believe, $6.99. Let me tell you, the other day I hit the jackpot and bought a bunch of candles, and they are so cute. Instead of doing a haul, I'm going to wait and show them to you in my Empties. But I got 3 of these in this style. This is like it's glass, but it looks like milky color, and with a real wooden lid. They use real wooden lids. This one is Me Time. Me Time is cactus, rose, and pear. Yeah, I smell a little bit of rose and a little bit of pear. It's not straight up rose. It's not straight out pear. It is a really nice scent. This one I didn't burn on the wax, or I didn't put on the melter because it burned all the way down. Now I'm going to keep this jar because this has a label I believe I can actually get off of this one. And this is just such a nice jar. You never know what, you never know what you might need that jar for. The other one I've got that I've already burned is Life of the Party. This one, grapefruit, cedarwood, and patchouli. I can smell the grapefruit. I can smell the patchouli. Yeah, this one smells really nice. This one I did put on the burner or the wax melter. This smells really good. This has more of a perfumey scent to it than Me Time. But yeah. These were $6.99. Big jars, really nice, heavy wood lids. So I'm going to keep that as well. Now, the only other Bath and Body Works thing I have is I used up a shower gel. Grapefruit Frosé. Oh my God, did I like this one. Sparkling grapefruit, frozen rosé, and sunsplash sugar. This smells so yummy. Straight up grapefruit. I didn't realize how much I love grapefruit. I do. I'm a big citrus fan. I love all citrus. To eat and to apparently use in the shower or burn in a candle. Or wear as perfume. That smells so good. I hated to see this go. I don't have a backup or anything of that. So, also I used up in my shower this it's a Goddess Sugar Scrub by Bella and Bear. And let's see, I don't think it has scents, does it? It smelled really good. It smelled really yummy. It says, a goddess needs to shine inside and out. Now you can with sugar on top. I got this from Amazon. And I got some other products of theirs, and I would buy it from them again. Really nice. Smells really yummy. Bella and Bear. I will link that down below. I'll see if I can find this scrub and link it down below. And go check out their other body products. This is the scrub I like. It's not an oily scrub. I don't like the real oily body scrubs. This one was not oily at all. Very nice. Okay, let's see. I had to put my Maybelline Super Stay Activewear Foundation in the Empties. It will not pump out. I cannot get the top off. Brian could not get the top off. He said we would have to break it. I'm not going to break it to get makeup out. I just have to say goodbye to it. I don't know what the problem is. I don't know what the problem is. I tried to clean out the nozzle. I tried everything I could under the sun. It will not come apart. Brian tried, and he's strong. It's trash. It's trash. I used up some Neutrogena makeup removing wipes. I used up this deluxe sample of Diva Curl Melt into Moisture conditioning mask. If you have curly hair, this was nice. It looks like there's more in there, but I've squeezed the heck out of it. It's empty. This really, when I used this in the shower, my hair looked really nice and conditioned when I got out. I liked that one. Now, while we're talking about hair, on the opposite end, this came in Ipsy recently. Rose and Quartz Muse Mask. And there's still some in here. Hydrating silicone-free treatment. I use this hair mask. I followed the directions. And my hair looks so frizzy. This you leave on 5 minutes, rinse off but not out. I didn't rinse it out, and it's still it looked horrible. I didn't use the rest of this. I'm not using this. I'm not using this at all. Now, when I was reading the directions, I didn't do everything in the directions. That might be why my hair didn't turn out. It says begin with a quarter size amount and apply 1 inch from root to tip, massaging gently. Did that. Clip up away from water. Did that. Repeat loving affirmations for 5 minutes. I didn't repeat loving affirmations. That's probably where I messed up. That's probably what happened. Then it said rinse off but not out with cool water. I did that. Safe for color and chemically treated hair, wigs, and extensions. Essential for fine or thin hair. I guess the affirmations is really important, and I didn't do that, so my hair did not look good when I used this. So it's my fault. I didn't do affirmations. That was my problem. Okay, Maybelline Dream BB Fresh BB cream. This has gone bad. So that's why that is in here. I didn't use it up. That's it. I've got too many things. I got some foil packets. Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Cream. Nice. Highly recommend this. That was really nice. I enjoyed that. The Laneige, the Water Bank Moisture Cream. I really like this. I can highly recommend that. And then the Juice Beauty Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This was really nice. I enjoyed that one as well. I used this. I've been using a while. I'm shocked. It was a nice size sample of the Caudalie Vino Perfect. This is a radiance serum. I mean, I've used this quite a while. It lasted, and it is really good. I have so many serums I need to use up. I would consider purchasing this again. But yeah, I'm not mad that sample lasted for months. Great. And then I've been actively using samples. So what we have here are fragrance. So let me go through them. J'adore. I like J'adore. That smelled really nice. I enjoyed that. This one, 103. I forgot. I looked it up. 103. Oh my gosh. I would buy this. I would buy this. It's not real expensive. It's not cheap. But it's not real expensive. I did look it up, but I can't remember. Bon Parfumer 103 from Paris. Nice. Prada Candy. One of my favorites. I really should own a bottle of Prada Candy. I'm thinking about it. Red Vanilla. This was okay. I don't know who makes red vanilla. I'm not a big vanilla fan when it comes to my scents. I mean, they're okay. I don't dislike them. If a fragrance has vanilla in it, that's okay, but I'm not a huge vanilla fan. This one is Electric Sky, Tory Burch. This one smelled good. This was nice. Here we go. Tatcha Florence. There is something about this, reminds me of my grandmother. But sorry guys, the battery died. I was saying about Tatcha, or Tocca, T-O-C-C-A, Florence. Something about this reminds me of my grandmother. But I didn't care for it on me. But man, does it bring a flood of memories around my grandmother. But I'm not I know this fragrance wasn't around when my grandmother was alive. So my grandmother would have been born around the beginning of, I don't know the exact year she was born, early 1900. So if she was alive, she'd be like 124 or something. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know, but something about that. Then I have Saint by Kat Von D. I do like those scents. And then Replica Tea Escape. This is really nice. I really like these replica fragrances a lot. And Tea Escape, I like that one too. I thought that was really nice. So that's it. That's it for all my empties. I'm going to put everything back in here. My trash can is full. It won't hold anymore. So, guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have you used any of these things? Any of you have any opinions about any of those fragrances I told you about? Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. That really helps with my algorithm, and I'm really trying to build my algorithm back up. So if you just quickly just give me that little thumbs up, appreciate it so much. And if you're new here, I would really love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.